Hello everyone, we are students of Ashok Ramani Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research Survey. Today I am conducted seminar on previous year questions on quality assurance subject presented by Miss Anjali Kamble, Miss Sania Mulla, Miss Pallavi Patil, guided by Mr. Ayan Dhagesar. So the questions is first questions define quality control, second question explain quality control test for container and rubber closure. Quality control. Quality control, it is the procedure used to ensure the safety, efficacy and purity of the pharmaceutical product. Focus on testing the identity and purity of products. WHO definition of quality control. The sum of all procedures undertaken to ensure the identity and purity of pharmaceutical product. Involve testing raw material in process, goods and objective of quality control, day-to-day control over the quality aspect of the drug product. Second, environmental monitoring during manufacturing. Third, calibration of instruments and validation of analytical method. Fourth, to enhance product quality and reduce the risk. Last one, to minimize defect and maximize customer satisfaction. Types of glass. There are four types of glass. First type, neutral or borosilicate glass. Second type, treated soda lime glass. Third type, soda lime glass. And last one, general purpose soda lime glass. Powder glass, which usually happen at the elevated temperature when the glass is powdered or leached or alkali is enhanced, which can be treated with 0.02 normal sulfuric acid using methyl red as an indicator. Step first, preparation of the glass specimen. Few contents are rinsed thoroughly with purified water and dried with stream of clean air. Then grind in a mortar to fine powder and passed through sieve number 20 and 50 hours. Second test, arsenic test. This test is for glass container intended for the aqueous parenteral. Wash the inner and outer surface of container with fresh distilled water for 5 minutes. Procedure for arsenic test. 10 ml of test solution plus 10 ml of nitric acid. Then keep it in a water bath until it dry. Then dry residue are collected and further dried in oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and cooled it. Then 10 ml of hydrazine moly lead is added. Then keep it in a reflux condenser for 20 minutes. Then not absorbent at 140 nm and compare with hydrazine moly lead blank. Then if arsenic concentration exceeds 0.1 ml of arsenic, then arsenic limit is allowed to in a glass. Quality control test for closure. Closure, it is the device tightly packed the container to exclude O2, CO2, moisture, microorganism to prevent loss of water and volatile substance from the product during transport and handling. It is a part of container system but does not come in the contact with drug. For example, aluminium, rubber, etc. Types of closure. There are three types of closure. First, rubber closure. Second, caps and oversew. In that, caps, screw cap, crown cap, snap on, friction fit, and third, special types. In that, dispensing and child resistant. Quality control test for closures. Preparation of sample. The closure are washed in 0.2% W by V of ionic surface active agent for 5 minutes. Rinsed 5 times with distilled water and 200 ml water is added. Subjected to autoclave at 119 degrees Celsius to 123 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes, covering with aluminum foil. Cooled and solution is separated from the closures. First, residue on evaporation. 50 ml of solution A is evaporated to dryness on a water bath and dried at 105 degrees Celsius. The residue weight is not more than 4 mg. Second, sterilization method. The closure used for the preparation of the sample solution shall not be softened or become tricky, and there shall be no visual change in the closure. Third, pH of aqueous extraction. To 20 ml of solution A in a 0.1 ml of bromethymol blue solution is added. Then NMT 0.3 to 0.01 normal NaOH or 0.8 ml of 0.01 normal HCl is required to change the color of the solution to blue or yellow respectively. For self-stability test, 10 times with hypodermic needles, then immersed in 0.1% methylene blue solution and subjected to a pressure about 27 kPa, then restored to ATM pressure and made it stand for 30 minutes. Then trace the color solution should not be found. I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.